So I have done some replacements and put the capacitors back, new capacitors, old new I would say, but there is a pop and I've replaced, not replaced, but added some components that were missing here because of my unsuccessful one-shot try. But now I have to address this BIOS chip that looks very bent one. To adjust. Some corrosion there, but I would call it a substantial blow. Other side. I wouldn't call it good as a new, but rather straight now. What about the socket? Socket is corroded. Where is the socket? Here's the socket. Socket is corroded. Here unbent pins. I need a different device. Maybe screwdriver will do. Okay, it's not detrimental, I'd say, for our job. Detrimental is the behavior. Oh, here's the something that would cause a trouble. This is the place, but I think that there is a via, one via, there was another one, here is another one, and here's another one. I think if there is, it is popped, here's another one. Those vias are broken, so I have to drill those vias with a fine drill. Here's another one. Maybe I'll reconnect them. Oh, here I forgot to put one capacitor more, so I have to do it now. Okay, let's put some dioxide to this socket. Okay, and let's put the chip back. Yeah, it fits now very nicely. Where is this lost capacitor? It's near here. It is. Where is it now? Here it is. Polarity is such. Slightly bend them. Here's the capacitor. And reheating my solder. Let's clean it. It'll take a while. And not only, let's make this wider. This board is, I don't know if it is, but it is warped. I think due to the heat. excessive heat of the soldering. So I think this method of solder pot is good for the soldering, but not the soldering from this kind of scrap, but not for positioning the items on the board that you want to salvage. Better is to break the plastic and then to remove those connectors one by one, because applying too much heat will, you can see here also the laminations, it's too brutal. Or maybe I had not maintained the regime of temperature, and I overheated the board. Okay, let's do it. Here it is. More zoom. Zoom. Okay. It's done. Let's clean it. I wonder if this boat will operate. It would be a kind of surprise for me. Yeah, let's make it wider. You can see board is warping. So no DIMMs, no AGP. What about the... I have to search for the processor. Processor does not want to be inserted into this crippled socket. Maybe I have to bend those pins a little. Let's see. It went. I don't know if you can see, but I will close it. It makes me wonder. Let's open it. Oh, the legs are not bent now, so let's close it. Nevertheless, I have not found the have not found the proper cooler for it. What about the cooler? Let's have a look for it. Let's put a random RAM stick into it as the RAM slot. What about the cooler? I have no proper cooler for it. It might be a problem, Mr. Twister. Have to search for it. Haven't got proper cooler. I will use this kind of temporary substitute. Let's put some thermopaste. Okay, so I will do it like this. And what shall we do now? Okay. Maybe I'm too optimistic. Let's put the PCI graphic card and hope for the best. Bam, ba-dum. Hope for the best. Power. No power. Processor is stone cold. Something is buzzing here. Let's remove the card. Let's remove the RAM. No, nothing. Jumper 3, jumper 16. Have to search for the manual for this motherboard. Then it's not so straightforward. Let's see if the processor gets any juice, as they call it. Yeah, processor is getting very quickly very warm. Again, no beeps, nothing. Spacewalker. No. No, nothing. Nothing at all. Radiator gets hot. Hot. What about the fan? Does the fan start? Yes, fan spins. Again. Reset is coming on and off. I think this popping is something wrongly done by me. Okay, let's read those descriptions. Jumper 16 CMOS config 1-2 normal. Jumper 16 1-2 is normal. Yeah, it's normal. Clear CMOS. It's good. Now jumper 3. What is jumper 3? Flash ROM config. Write protect, non protect. Now it is 3-2. Non protect. Let's make it write protect. Don't know if it will help. Let's switch to another slot. Okay, let's start again. Nothing. No. Processor gets hot. So I think I have to search this popping. Mary Poppins. Let's clear the CMOS. This one last thing I will do. Nothing at all. Oh, very hot. Very hot. It gets reset. I have a card, diagnostic card. I'm not showing it, but there is nothing on it. Nothing. Resets go slow. Nothing. Processor gets warm. Processor gets warm. And that's it. Okay.